Hi everyone and good morning. Welcome to Yoga with Maria. I'm Maria and today we're doing a morning practice, just 10 minutes, it's quick. But I'm such a big believer in taking time in the morning to set the tone for your day, maybe your week. I think that this time in the morning determines so much more than we think. It determines how we go about our entire lives. So know that this time is sacred for you and for the people around you. I know for me, I love to practice meditation and yoga in the morning and have a coffee or tea with my husband. And I'd love to hear about your morning rituals in the comments below, right after you subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any new updates. Take your time getting yourself set up for this practice, and then let's move together. Okay, yogis, come to your space or your mat and just take a comfortable seat. Let the hands rest on the lap. Let the eyes close. And just take a moment or two to tune into the breath here. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So nice. When you're ready, flutter the eyes open. Bring the hands to the mat. Set up the knee or the hips over the knees, shoulders over the wrists. We're just going to take some hip circles. So start going to the right. You can make them as small, as big as you like. We'll take 3 on each side, so you can grow them as you go. Just do what feels good for the body. And then take it to the left. You can reach the seat all the way back to the heels. You might even roll the head a little bit. Give yourself a moment to wake up. Take one more to the left. So nice. Stay with your breath here and then come back to hands and knees, setting up those 90-degree angles. And then we'll just take a few cat-cows. So breathe in, arch the back. Chest reaches forward and up. For cow, exhale, round the spine. For cat pose, head falls heavy. Inhale, cow pose, chest lifts, gaze lifts. Exhale, round. Let the back of the neck be long. Breathe in, belly drops. Breathe out, round the spine. Inhale, take one more cow pose, belly drops. Breathe out. Reach the shoulders forward and then bend the elbows straight back for knees, chest, chin. Lower the chest and the chin. Breathe in, slide forward for cobra pose, head and chest lift. Breathe out, come back to child's pose. Hips come to the seat, hands reach forward. And then take the gaze forward. Breathe in, slide all the way forward for cobra pose, head and chest lift, legs squeeze together, elbows pull back. Exhale. Child's pose, forehead comes to the mat. Let's take this one more time. Breathe in, chest slides forward and up, legs squeeze together. Exhale, child's pose, and then take it to downward facing dog. So right away the feet pedal so that the backs of the legs can open a little bit here. Good, and then breathe in, reach the right leg up. Breathe out, step the foot between the hands. You're in a low lunge. You might bring the hands to blocks if you have them. Otherwise, the hands frame the front foot. And then breathe in, straighten the right leg any amount. Breathe out, bend the knee, come back to low lunge, look forward. 2 more times. Breathe in, straighten right leg. Breathe out, bend the knee, look forward. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Breathe out, bend the knee. This time, tap the back knee down. Inhale, reach the arms up for Anjaneyasana. Breathe out, just cactus the arm, putting a bend in the elbows. Inhale, low belly pulls in, chest lifts, gaze goes up. Exhale, hands come back to the mat, pick up your back knee. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Breathe out, walk the hands to between the feet, right toes turn to the left. You're in a wide leg straddle now. Breathe in, take a half lift. Breathe out, sweep the arms behind you, interlace the hands, and fold over the legs. Crown of the head reaches down towards the mat. Press the outer edge of either foot down. Let the back of the neck be long. And then you might shake the head no or nod the head yes. Take one more breath in and out. Take the hands towards the low back, and then hands come underneath shoulders. Take a breath in, half lift. Breathe out, walk the hands forward, you're back in a low lunge. Press the left hand down, right arm reaches up, you're in a low lunge twist. And then from here, left knee drops down to the mat underneath the left hip, so you might have to scoot it up a bit. The left shin goes back behind you or more towards the left, and then right foot steps all the way back towards the back of the mat. Seal the outer edge of the foot down. Right arm reaches up and over, supported side plank. Gaze can go up and underneath the armpit. Take a breath in and out. Right hand comes to the mat, tuck both toes behind you so you're in a plank pose, top of a push-up. Exhale, just slowly lower yourself all the way to the mat. When you get to the bottom, untuck the toes. Take the hands off the mat, tent the fingertips, elbows point up to the ceiling. Breathe in, peel the head and the chest up. Breathe out, reach the chest forward and down, forehead comes to the mat. 2 more times like this. Breathe in, head and chest lift. Breathe out, chest reaches forward and down. 1 more time. Breathe in, head and chest lift. Breathe out, reach forward and down. Hands come underneath armpits. Press yourself back to child's pose and then take it back, downward facing dog, legs extend. Breathe in, left leg lifts. Breathe out, place the foot between the hands, you're in a low lunge. Inhale, straighten left leg. Exhale, bend the knee, look forward. 2 more times like this. Breathe in, extend left leg. Exhale, bend the knee, look forward, low lunge. 1 more time. Breathe in, extend left leg. Make sure you're pulling the left hip back. Breathe out, bend the knee, look forward. Tap the back knee down. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, just cactus the arms. Low belly pulls in, chest lifts, breathe in. Breathe out, hands come back to the mat, pick up the back knee. Inhale, straighten left leg, left toes turn to the right, back heel spins down. You're in a wide leg straddle, hands walk between the feet. Breathe in, half lift. Breathe out, interlace the hands behind you and fold over the legs. Hands reach up and over, back of the neck is long, crown of the head reaches down. Take a breath in and out. 1 more breath in, legs are engaged here. Breath out, take the hands to the low back and then hands come underneath the shoulders, half lift, breathe in. Breathe out, walk the hands towards the front of the mat, you're back in a low lunge. Right hand presses down, left arm reaches up, you're in a low lunge twist. And then drop the right knee down, scoot it up a little bit so it's right underneath the hip. Right shin turns out to the right, left foot steps all the way back to the back of the mat. Seal the outer edge of the left foot down. Supported side plank, reach left arm up and overhead. And then turn the chest up to the ceiling. Big stretch in the side of the body. Feels really nice this morning. So nice. And then hand comes to the mat, find plank pose, breathe in. Breathe out, lower the knees. Arch the back, lower the chest and the chin, elbows bend straight back. Untuck the toes, press through for cobra pose, head and chest lift. Breathe out, child's pose, and then lift hips, come back to downward facing dog. From here, we'll lift the heels, bend the knees, and gaze forward. Just walk the feet to the front of the mat to meet the hands. And then set up the feet so you've got hips width distance, 2 fists between the big toes. Grab opposite elbows and come to ragdoll, just hanging heavy in a forward fold. Let the head be heavy. You can move side to side or front to back, and then just put the opposite forearm on top. Same thing here. Take movement, or you can find stillness if that feels good. Definitely have a bend in the knees here. And then release both elbows down so the arms hang heavy, and we'll just power down into the feet, down into the ground to roll ourselves up. You're going slowly. The head is heavy. And then the last thing to stack on top will be the head. Take a couple shoulder rolls here. Back and then forward if it feels good. And then heel toe the feet together. See if you can keep the eyes closed. Find Tadasana. The fingers reach down towards the floor. There's power here. Take the hands to touch in front of the heart. Lift the sternum to the thumbs. Put a little tuck in the chin. Flutter the eyes open. Have a great day, yogis. Namaste. For many of us, the body is really well prepared to sit still and focus in a meditation practice after we've done some movement, especially the type of movement that we've just done in this morning class. Meditation is a great tool to implement in the morning before the craziness of your day hits you. And so check out my guided breath meditation video right here on YouTube. It'll help you stay grounded and connected to yourself so that you can find the beauty and enjoyment of every moment of your day, of every moment of your week. Let me know how it goes. Can't wait to see you next time.